Are you ready to have a sales season at the end of 2023 to get super profit and capture the key product to promote business activity easily? This video is for you. Let's get started. Hello, Merchandise here. The year-end sales season is coming very close, and the Q4 is the biggest shopping time of the year. Do you have any plan to sell any product yet? If not, sit down and enjoy this video. You already know Ornament is one of the products easy to sell with low input cost. Many diverse search niche, opening up sale opportunity to all the year. It's easy to say, but do you know how to sell and how to create advertising campaigns? Let's start with the brand store with a wide range of products appealing to the eye. That will give you a lot of opportunity to stimulate the shopping needs of customers, even when your sales love to enter an eye-catchingly decorated store. Remember, it's very important. Next is cross-sell product. Make sure that when customers click on the product, similar product in the store will appear in the suggestion section. This is very good if you apply it perfectly. It will appear in the eye of customer, stimulate the need to buy more other product, from which your sale will be enhanced. Last but not least, not to strain with the form. You buy X product and you will receive Y% discount. Buyers are very interested in the promotion we receive, so tap that mentality to give them incentive to buy in bulk. So, what are the timelines to prepare to ensure that everything goes perfectly during the sales season? August is a time to sample and test product. You have enough time to research which products are really potential for this sales season. If you are still confused, follow the fan page and subscribe the YouTube channel. Links is in description. From September to November, it's time to building and optimizing your store. Advertising service can be used to cover your reputation, make it easier for you to reach customers and bring a large number of visitors. After hard time, just waiting for the sale and your money will be in your pocket. Maybe prepare the sample for the next year's sale. In the 2022, the custom wood 2-layer ornament was the best selling. And in this year, this ornament has been renewed and improved. As you can see, it's more eye-catching detail. And besides, don't forget something like this. It's a sun catcher ornament. You will have to regret it when you miss out on such a potential product. New and unique design, creating effect when there is light. I predict that it will be king ornament sale this year. I think this is a great option that you need to add to your store. It's a custom shaped wood and acrylic ornament. This is the perfect combination of wood and acrylic. Will bring both modern and vintage beauty, a key product to attract sales for your store. How to find an idea for the ornament product? This is an interesting job, isn't it? It seems like you have a trouble with it, but don't worry. Just leave the comment below so Merchai can give you all the ornament design idea. Be sure to follow Merchai YouTube channel to get more tips and tricks for sale. Have a nice day.